Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to easily download your Wizz Air ticket. First of all, open the Wizz Air website or mobile app and log in to your account using your email and password. After that, once logged in, click on the check-in and bookings menu. This will display all your upcoming flights. Then find the flight for which you need the ticket and click on it to view the booking details. Put here confirmation code and passenger last name, then click search. Scroll down until you see the option to download boarding pass or download ticket. Click on this option and your ticket will be downloaded as a PDF file. Once downloaded, you can either save the ticket on your device or print it out for your convenience. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your Wizz Air ticket. Safe travels and thanks for watching.